Did you know that nearly 35% of Americans don't get the recommended 7 hours of sleep each night? What if I told you that this isn't just a minor inconvenience? It's a public health crisis. Today, we're diving deep into why Americans sleep less than almost any other developed nation and how it's silently destroying their health. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal some unexpected strategies that could help you sleep better tonight and even increase your lifespan. Let's start with a startling fact. Americans, on average, sleep 1.5 hours less per night than people in other developed nations. But why? The answer lies in a mix of cultural, technological, and psychological factors that keep millions of Americans awake, sometimes without even realizing it. In the US, we glorify hustle culture, the idea that success comes from constantly grinding. Many workers feel pressured to respond to emails and complete tasks after work hours, leading to chronic exhaustion. A shocking 40% of Americans work on weekends. It's a vicious cycle. You work late, sleep less, and wake up exhausted, only to rely on caffeine to keep going. And before you know it, burnout takes over. Our relationship with screens has fundamentally changed. Our sleep patterns. The blue light from smartphones, laptops, and TVs disrupts melatonin production, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. Studies show that just 2 hours of screen time before bed can delay sleep onset by up to 60 minutes. Yet, many Americans think a quick scroll won't hurt. But that quick scroll often turns into hours of lost sleep. Another reason Americans sleep less? We wear sleep deprivation as a badge of honor. Many high-profile figures, from CEOs to influencers, boast about running on just a few hours of sleep. But research shows that sleeping less than 6 hours per night increases the risk of heart disease by 50%. This dangerous mindset has led to an epidemic of sleep neglect. Lack of sleep doesn't just make you feel tired. It wreaks havoc on your entire body. Heart disease. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of high blood pressure and heart failure. Obesity. Less sleep disrupts hunger hormones, leading to weight gain. Mental health issues. Sleep deprivation is closely linked to anxiety and depression. Weakened immunity. A single night of poor sleep can make you 4 times more likely to catch a cold. With rising financial stress, job insecurity, and political uncertainty, Americans are more stressed than ever. When your brain is in fight or flight mode, it produces cortisol, a stress hormone that keeps you alert. The more stressed you are, the harder it is to fall asleep. So, how can you break free from this cycle? Stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Limit screen time. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Practice relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and reading a book can help your mind unwind. Prioritize sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Here's that cliffhanger I promised. Studies show that simply increasing your sleep by 1 hour per night could potentially add years to your life. Imagine that. Just 1 extra hour of sleep each night could be the difference between feeling drained and truly thriving. If this video opened your eyes to the sleep crisis in America, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Comment below. How many hours of sleep do you get each night? And don't forget to subscribe to MeMaa Health for more science-backed health insights that can change your life. Sleep well, stay healthy, and let's fix this crisis together.